Another thing very typical from Sicily is the granita with the Sicilian brioche. So now we ordered one almond granita and one brioche to start our day in the perfect way, because they eat the granita and the brioche for breakfast. Please, one almond granita and one brioche. Spectacular. You really can taste the almond in your granita. So let's try it with the brioche. Spectacular. Very soft and tasty. So you can see that it's very soft. So now I will try to find a recipe, and maybe I will show you in the future, in a future video. But during this time you can practice doing the brioche, Parisian brioche. I have already posted the video. Okay guys, I eat my granita before that melt. See you for another tasting. Bye bye. Hello guys, I am here in Sicily, and today I want to show you a little bit of street food. This city is called Scicli. It's famous because there is a movie, a TV, series TV, I don't know what to say, that is recorded in the building behind me. But like you know, my goal is the food. So now I will show you a little bit of street food from Sicily. This is called Arancini or Arancine. Let's check it. Spectacular. This one is with the tomato sauce and meat, like a stew, peas and so on, and cheese. But you can find the recipe of this here on the link on the channel. And this one is with pistachio, scamorza cheese, salmon pies, especially for tourists that come here in Italy. In some cities, if you go near the monuments, it's always a mess. You need to check where local people eat the food. For the arancini or arancine, depend of the area where you go. In Sicily, it's okay. Where you will go, you will find a good one. Some one will be better, some other less, but it's always good. The important things, then they deep fried this right after that you order them. They should be now ready there to take away and go. They are ready to be deep fried. In this way, when they give you, they are still warm, very soft, and inside you, like I showed you before, the cheese will melt like this. Now it's cold because to do the video always I spoil my food. You can see, spectacular. So if you've been in Italy and you want to share your experience with us, write down in the comment. Okay guys, I will eat my arancini. See you with the next street food tasting. Bye bye. Spectacular. Hello guys, another classic Italian, Sicilian street food is the cannolo or cannoli. I don't know in English, they call in different way. Near where I showed you before, there is a nice pastisserie gelateria that make this spectacular cannoli. How we can find the good cannoli? The important thing is that they stuff the cream inside at the last minute. Now I'll show you in the video. Spectacular. Outside is very crunchy and the ricotta cheese is spectacular. Naturally, also of the cannoli you can find the recipe here on the channel. That for sure will be not the same things to eat the cannoli in Sicily on the street. So, but you can try to make it at home. Try and let us know. Bye bye. Spectacular. This city that I cross by is Modica. Is very famous for the chocolate because the chocolate here is very different from the other chocolate that usually you eat at home. Plus I will show you the chocolate piece of real chocolate that I will use in the future to make the beer, chocolate beer. And plus we will try this torrone that is very typical from Sicily. Let's sit under this olive tree and check why this chocolate is very different. Spectacular. The cacao inside is always at least 50%. I don't know if you notice from the video. The sugar is not melt in the chocolate like usually when you eat the chocolate that you buy, because this chocolate is work the temperature between 35 and 40 Celsius degree, so the sugar cannot melt. Inside the chocolate you can taste the like a crystals of sugar, so the sugar and the chocolate melt together in your mouth. So also this one spectacular. Let's try the torrone. Spectacular. I like it, but this one is very sweet because inside there is caramel, honey, sesame seed, almonds, so very very good. The name is, before I forgot to say, Cobaita. Okay guys, see you for the next tasting. Bye bye. Another spectacular thing is the deep fried fish, a mix of fish. So you enter in the fish shop, you choose your fish and they deep fry for you. See you later when I come back from the shop. Ok.
Va bene? Ok.
Grazie mille.
Riferisco, come li deve fare?
Sì, fritti da portare via.
Danellini, ok.
Salve. Naturally, also this one you can eat on the street. So now I will sit here on the stairs and show you this spectacular calamari that is called in English, I forgot, I will write. Come and check. Spectacular guys. See you with the next tasting. Bye bye. Okay guys, with this sunset from Sicily, I can conclude this video and also this holiday. I hope that you appreciate these different things that I show you in this video. If you will come in Sicily, you can taste more things, something you can find here on the channel. If you've been already in Sicily, please share your experience down in the comments, or if you have some requests, always down in the comments. If it's the first time that you came here on the channel, remember to subscribe here on the channel. Bye bye, greeting from Sicily.